How to fix Microsoft Word cannot type error. So there's nothing more frustrating than opening Microsoft Word document, clicking on the page and realizing your keyboard inputs are completely dead. If you look closely at the bottom status bar, it might even tell you this selection is locked. Today, we are bypassing these glitches and getting you back on track. So the most common reason Word blocks inputs is a standard file security. If you downloaded a document from an email attachment on the internet, Word opens it in a protective view. So for that, you need to look right above your main ruler for a bright yellow alert bar. So say I open this document, mine of course isn't locked. Simply just click the button that says Enable Editing to instantly unlock the canvas. So I'm not really sure where it's supposed to be, maybe on the top right somewhere, so you can just find it easily. And if there is no yellow bar, you can click on File in the top left right here and go down to the Accounts in this section. After that, look under the Product Information block. If you see some kind of alert here saying Product Deactivated or Unlicensed Product, Microsoft locks down the entire software suite into a read-only viewer. So you'll need to sign out and log back into your active Microsoft 365 account to clear out this activation freeze. And if the file isn't unlicensed, the document creator might have just locked down the structural formatting permissions. So for that, head to the Review tab. Let us go back, Review tab, look all the way to the right side and click on Restrict Editing. Right here, a vertical pane will pop up on the right side, and look at the absolute bottom of that side panel and click the button that says Stop Protection. If a background instance of Word is glitched and causing the block, you can just close out your process fully, right click right here, click on End Task, and then just open up your Start menu and open up your Word again. So try out these fixes, they should help you. If this was helpful, like the video and subscribe.